The 2023 Chevrolet Suburban Premier is the top-of-the-line trim level for the full-size SUV. It comes standard with a long list of features, including a 6.2-liter V8 engine, 10-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, leather upholstery, heated and cooled front seats, a sunroof, and a Bose sound system. The Premier also gets a number of exclusive features, such as a hands-free power liftgate, a rear seat entertainment system, and a wireless charging pad. The Suburban Premier is a luxurious and spacious SUV that is perfect for families or anyone who needs a lot of space. It has a comfortable ride and plenty of power, and it comes standard with a long list of features. The Premier also gets a number of exclusive features that make it even more luxurious and desirable. Here is a more detailed look at the 2023 Chevrolet Suburban Premier. Engine and performance. The Suburban Premier is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission and can tow up to 8,100 pounds. The Suburban Premier gets an EPA estimated 15 mpg in the city and 20 mpg on the highway. Exterior. The Suburban Premier has a bold and stylish exterior design. It features a large grille, LED headlights and taillights, and 22-inch wheels. The Premier also gets a number of exclusive exterior features, such as a chrome grille surround, black exterior accents, and a power-operated running board. Interior. The Suburban Premier has a luxurious and spacious interior. It seats up to 9 passengers and has plenty of legroom and headroom in all 3 rows. The interior is trimmed in leather and features a number of upscale amenities, such as heated and cooled front seats, a sunroof, and a Bose sound system. The Premier also gets a number of exclusive interior features, such as a heated steering wheel, a rear seat entertainment system, and a wireless charging pad. Technology. The Suburban Premier comes standard with a long list of technology features, including a 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The Premier also gets a number of exclusive technology features, such as a head-up display and a rear-view camera mirror. Safety. The Suburban Premier comes standard with a number of safety features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. The Premier also gets a number of exclusive safety features, such as a blind spot monitoring system and a rear cross-traffic alert system. The 2023 Chevrolet Suburban Premier is a luxurious and spacious SUV that is perfect for families or anyone who needs a lot of space. It has a comfortable ride and plenty of power, and it comes standard with a long list of features. The Premier also gets a number of exclusive features that make it even more luxurious and desirable. Here are some of the pros and cons of the 2023 Chevrolet Suburban Premier. Pros: luxurious interior, spacious interior, powerful engine, long list of standard features, exclusive features. Cons: high price tag, poor fuel economy, large size can be cumbersome. Overall, the 2023 Chevrolet Suburban Premier is a great choice for anyone who needs a large and luxurious SUV. It has a comfortable ride, plenty of power, and a long list of standard features. The Premier also gets a number of exclusive features that make it even more desirable. However, the Suburban Premier is a large and expensive SUV, so it may not be the best choice for everyone.